Y'all, hands down, this is the best banana pudding yet. Okay. This strawberry banana pudding was pudding teen. Okay. Listen, I can't even get the wording of it all out because it was that good. But anywho, you see, I put the strawberries and the cookies, and you can never have enough cookies in a banana pudding. So, we whipped top and did and made some cute little strawberries and some garnished chestnut cookies. Okay. Oh, baby, this was life. Okay. Life. Okay. Okay. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Play with your PlayStation, not me.